Hi everyone, now I am in center of Clark. Near have offices so many and call centers in the back. You can see call centers. So many people working on call centers. And now I will go to the Clark playground. I will walk, and you can see how people rest now in the Sunday 6 p.m. right now. And you can see also with me. This is Jollibee. Take a look, this is Jollibee, have Burger King, SBPI. Also hotel. I don't know what name of hotel, I will check. Kingslay's Hotel. Never close. It's good location, this hotel. I will put location in description of a video. Okay, I will go to the playground. This is Burger King, Starbucks. This is Starbucks always full. Many people sit in Starbucks. Very popular. Choking, I like choking. Hi. Take a look, this is Starbucks, it's full always. Usually we sit with Georgian, my friends. This is, take a look, it's Clark Center. And they go into this way. This is casino. It's new casino. Royce Hotel and Casino. Take a look, so many cars. It's traffic now. That's why I park here in center of the Clark, and I will walk to the Clark playground, this park. Take a look, it's Subaru WRX. Before I use same car, it's long time ago. But for me, both better is Nissan. Sports car is Nissan, for me better. But I'm old now, already not not interesting in sports car. Maybe not old, I don't know, I not feel I am old. I'm 51, but that's okay. Usually I walk so many kilometers a day. It's good for health. Like, if I not walk, I cannot good sleep. Clark Center, townhouses. Let's take a look. This is can rent also townhouses. You can call to this number and have take a look. Have website and can call. So many. It's good place. Silent. Take a look. Have parking. Very nice place. A little bit faster because now already 6. I need to go to Clark International Airport 7:20 or 7:15. You know why? Because I need pick up Georgi from Russia. Georgi now in Cebu. From Cebu to Clark. His flight from Moscow to Dubai, and from Dubai to Cebu, from Cebu to Clark. He have internet on the plane because he use business class always. So some people may be thinking, oh, Georgi always use T-shirt only one. No, guys, he have maybe not only one, because if you go into the shopping together, he not buy cheap T-shirt for 1,500, 2,000. We sometimes bought together. That's why if you see Georgi in one T-shirt, notice maybe he changed already, but only same color, same style, because he walked to for exercise in Clark. Sorry, I'm in Clark. Astra Park every day. It's little bit talking video. Sorry, it's not my type of video, talking. Let's take a look. It's also noise for government. This is fire station. Clark fire station. Take a look, cars. All new cars in fire station. First stop, first to go. You need to know. It's important. Is need to follow rules. Everywhere, of course, but especially in the Clark, because if you not give way, police can catch you. Everywhere have CCTV camera. But I think need always follow road rules. It's important for safety. That's why sometimes I not understand why people not follow rules. Why not show turning light? You don't know where he will to go. Take a look. These people already exercise. Clark playground. Have a good place. Fresh air. Sunset right now. Today family day, Sunday. Every Sunday family day in the Philippines. People going to all the family and sit in the park. Take a look, all parking full. Don't have space. That's why I know. And they park not here. Oh, some event before here. I don't know what kind of event. Maybe so noisy. Maybe yesterday. Oh, they also have motor scooters. We'll check scooters, interesting. Take a look, people. Family day because. New Suzuki Motors. The first time in the Philippines I ran Suzuki scooter. Also have restaurant. Take a look, this is another side. Restaurant. porch. New restaurant. Oh, it's old, but now open.
Araw-araw ka dito?
Ano yung waring pinggili kayo? Paano?
This is one round, it's 2.5 kilometers. I don't know, maybe in the miles, maybe 1.3. Sorry, I don't know. I will go to 7-Eleven, need to buy some drink because I have bottled water in the car, but for car need to 3 kilometers walk. Oh, take a look, so many people. It's okay, I will wait. I bought Chinese tea, green tea. Waiting in the line maybe 20 minutes.
Diba last time may ayan eh?
Time now 6:33. So I will go to Choking now and pick up Letanit to 7, maybe 15 I will go to airport. Here drive maybe 10 minutes only. Hi everyone, now I am already in the center of the Clark, but now time 6:45. But I need in airport 7:15, so I don't have time to eat. I will eat maybe with Georgi in Walking Street. Oh, so many people on the choking. Yes. I don't have space for seat. It's okay. So I will go to airport. I am all wet, need change clothes. Burger King. Also so many people. This is parking. Clark Center, welcome. Save my car, IS LTD model. This is my car.